Made, responsible for the youth affairs and the arts, to join those two state departments in progressing this, Your Excellency, and something that is already happening. We have also, as the ministry responsible for the arts, provided support to this process, and I'm glad to report to Your Excellency, waziri haikuwa shilingi milioni 230. It was 268 million Kenya shillings, which we have provided, Your Excellency, to support sports, music, and this drama and film festival. And as we do that, Your Excellency, we are making sure that we provide a clear pathway where talents can leave the school ecosystem and progress to the market. And that is why this evening, Your Excellency, after this state concert, we are holding a paid concert at the Kenya National Theatre for what you have just seen here, so that the Kenyan public can view the same, but they can pay for it, and that money will progress to the respective schools. So, Your Excellency, we are very happy that we now have a whole program, and we have a pipeline and a conveyor belt. All this, Your Excellency, of course, you know, is being done in the framework of the Talanta Hela initiative, which will soon be unveiling officially. And that initiative, Your Excellency, is all about monetizing and commercializing talents and formalizing the creative economy across music, film, theater, fashion, pageantry, literary, fine arts. The entire space of the creatives is going to be formalized under the Talanta Hela initiative. And we do that, Your Excellency, aware that that is a key economic driver, even in big economies like the US, like Germany, like South Africa, like Nigeria. We want to plug into that economy, Your Excellency. Finally, Your Excellency, as we do that, as we make sure that we open the doors to these talents through initiatives like academies, and we are setting up a framework of academies in schools. We are opening the doors to the Kenya Academy of Sports, to the Kenya Film School, to the Kenya National Theatre, to the Kenya Cultural Center, to the Permanent Presidential Music Commission, so that items we have seen from Loreto Limuru, from Nairobi School, from Kenyatta University can progress through those channels. We are also encouraging schools, Your Excellency, and telling teachers and parents, the same way you emphasize academic excellence, also emphasize talent excellence. And that the same way you encourage our young people to score high grades in mathematics, in history, encourage them to hone their talents across all these creatives. And even for the Ministry of Education, Your Excellency, we are asking that the same way you promote teachers who perform well in subjects, promote teachers who perform well in the creatives. Then we'll send a powerful message that we mean what we say and we say what we mean, and the creative industry is here with a bang. We want to see the next generation of the great artists in this country. We thank you, Your Excellency, and now it is my honor, privilege, and pleasure to invite His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic, the man our creatives love to call Riggy G. Karibu sana to the stage, Your Excellency.